All right, on that air conditioner we picked up on our way to get groceries. What did it weigh? What did it pay? Clean ACRs. 19.15 pounds, $1.25 a pound, $23.94. Video. Okay, let's clear it. Clean brass, I believe, is $1.50 a pound. 0.85 pounds for $1.28. Number one copper is $2.50 here. Almost 2 pounds for $4.88. That's number one? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. All right. Almost 2.5 pounds for $6. And number two copper is $2.30. Same as the number one on weight, 2.4 for $5.52. So, yeah, not a bad payout for going to get groceries. So plus the 10, you know, that's for an air conditioner that size. It's a $50 bill. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys scrapping.